How to install Need for Speed. If you want to download or install Need for Speed on your phone, this is the simple and easy guide for you. Let's get started. Head on to the App Store with a big A on the front. Tap on it. From the home screen, you have to select the search icon from the down right corner. In the search bar, you have to tap and write Need for Speed. Then it will deliver Need for Speed on your screen. You just have to tap on the application. Now on the screen, you can see the icon of open. But in your case, if you are installing for the first time, you will get the icon of get or the sign of download. So you just have to simply tap on it and the installation process will begin. It may take some time to install depending on your internet speed, so you have to be patient for the completion of downloading. After the downloading of the game, you just have to press on the open button and you are good to go for the playing of Need for Speed. And this is how you can install Need for Speed on your mobile phone.